Open, open, oh, oh, open. What is up? What is up, guys? We're back. With some TCG Card Jump Simulator. Oh, and looks like we need 2 of these boxes as well. Okay, I need just a touch more speed. Decor? Interesting. I think that's new or updated. I think that's a little better for you guys. I did not buy those 2 boxes. Okay, I gotta get used to using the mouse to click again. Schedule 1 has me wanting to use E to select everything. Mine didn't open. I don't know why that didn't open at all. It's interesting. We got our 1 ghost card. We get those decks. You know, tenderness. Like I said, I gotta. I'm gonna have to remember. $6 starting pretty strong. Oh, and a 17. Ow. There's something in my eye, guys. Sorry about that. There's something in my eye. Ooh, there we go. There's a stopper at least. 13 bucks. 4. Ooh, there we go. $33 card. There we go. What you got? Oh, yeah, actually. Do 30. Yeah, you did 30 for it. Awesome. No, not 21. 12. Done. Okay. Not too bad yet. Bad, really. 8. Nothing. Okay. Welcome in, everyone that's joining. Ooh, $21 card. There we go. 21. $11 card. Okay. Ooh, and a 14 in the same pack. That's good. That's a really good pack. I need to grab some cards. A lot of $13 cards apparently. Throw these on the board. Ooh, 15. There you go. $15 card and a 7. Not a bad pack at all. Not a bad pack at all. Ooh, there we go. $200 card. There we go. That was an alright pack. $10. There we go. 13. Ooh, okay, now they're heating up a little bit. And a 19 with a 9 in the back. That is an expensive boy. 110. Took 110 for it. $2. Ooh, 14. There we go. 14. I'll take a $14 card. Alright. Ooh, there we go. A $63 card. There we go. Not a horrible pack. 9. Okay, no, it's starting off a lot better. 10. There we go. Okay. I got nothing else we could really buy. Maybe. Well, we could really move these over and get. Could get another box of plushies, but then we have half a box of plushies sitting here. So I'll move those back. Alright, there we go. Telephone. Ooh, shiny. Spent $1 on it. That's not bad. It's Especially for a shiny card, $1. One homie's not gonna reach my telephone. 35. There we go. There we go. Starting off with the big bang. Ooh, 13. Okay, these packs and a 15. Ooh, that's a really good pack actually. 3 hitters. That was really good. 6. Ooh, 12. This might be a lot better box than the last one. Having some fun today. Ooh, and a 35. 35. Wow. $13. Okay. Not bad at all. Let's turn the lights on. These packs are like really good, and then they're really kind of bad. Ooh, there we go. $11. $11. There we go. Ooh, there we go. There we go. A $273 card. There we go. Enjoying my time playing a game. $20 card. There we go. 17. Ooh, and a 30. And a, wow. There we go. Now they're starting to heat up. That back. 17. There we go. $17 card. All for that. 5, 2, 14. There we go. 6. That wasn't a bad pack at all, actually. 10. There we go. $10 pack. 8. 12. Okay. Not bad, actually. Not bad at all. There we go. There's the full art. 109. There we go. Finally getting some full arts. What you got? Ooh. Expensive boy. We'll try 110 again. Okay, he took 110 for it. Yeah, we can buy a blue and a purple. A blue and a purple, for sure. Now those two. None of those need it. Oh, we need some regular sleeves, it looks like. I think that'll work. I think all those will work. Throw those in. There we go, there. The card sleeves. There we go. So let me work to register for a little bit. Thank you, come in. What you got? Ooh, no. Very beautiful card, but don't have the funds to buy all those nice looking cards all the time. Well, 20? No, you took 20 for it. Not bad. Other 2-pack of those, I don't think those have really been selling. I don't think they have. Not very good, at least. Well, out of the purple packs to rip. Here's the rares. They're selling a little better than the purples. A little bit. Well, I guess I only have 2 left over for those. I had like a whole case of purples left, so definitely are selling better. For sure. Oh, these blue ones are the ones that I don't think sold at all. There we go. Alright. No. There we go. Now it's even. I'll just quick rip these. There's a 7 I saw. I'm just gonna quick rip them. Ooh, there we go. Okay, there was some good stuff in there. $119 card? 119? I'll take those any day. I don't think there's anything here. 4, 6? Ooh, there you go. There's a 21. There's a $21 pack. And a 16. Not bad. Not bad. That's an interesting flavor. $20. There we go. $20. Ooh, full art. I do want the full art. But it is only worth 60 bucks. Alright. And on to the next day. How would we do? Should be pretty good on earnings. Over $1,000 in profit. There we go. There we go. Not bad at all. The piggy plushies. For sure. Not much more, but there we go. Bum bum bee dum bum bum bee dum bum. We are open. We are open. Gotta remember the controls. I am just not remembering them at all. 8, 2, and then 10. Not bad, not bad. Add into the rotation, and yeah, it's a really fun game. And nothing, I don't have a lot new with me. What about you? What about you, Silver Wolf? Oh, let's see. What do we got? See if we can get it at 10. Alright. Of course, well, you can see it there on the end. There's new monsters or cards. Like that one, the second one from the end there, that's a new one. Ooh, there's another. That one right there, I know that one's a new monster and card from when it first came out. Ooh. You can't be late until I end stream. How about that? I haven't actually checked how it did so far. Even though it doesn't matter. Normally my videos they normally take a few days to actually start getting views. I don't quite know why that is, but hey, they get views after a little bit. I'm happy. I'm happy. I was posting videos before that never got any views, so doing something a little better apparently. Ooh, expensive boy. No, I gotta pay bills. I gotta pay bills. Holy cow! They bought a lot of the stink spray today. I'm out. I just stocked that. Oh. Ooh, $15 card. That's nice. That's nice. Ooh. Okay, now these packs are going. It's hard to... Ooh, there we go, 56? Dang. Take a 56. There we go, and those, perfect. You're asking $10 more than what it's worth. Well, don't ask $20 over the market price. Why would I want to pay that? 5, I got... Oh, he wants to trade. Sure, I got 6 of those. Go right ahead, take it. Okay. I don't know if that's a good thing. Let's change the event. We can do better. and do a better event. Get some more money. There we go. I wish they would put something here that you could kind of see why they're the dissatisfied customer, but you know, that's me being a little nitpicky. Little bit. We will pay those. Throw these in. Can empty this just a touch more. Ooh. Actually, we can fully empty it. Let's double check prices on everything. Say those need to go up. The regular sleeves have been able to go up in price. They just kind of stay right there at $1.50. $2, actually. 13. There we go. There we go. Too bad. 32. There we go. That is the cards we were looking for. $32. I always love them. 19. 8. Ooh, back to back. Dang. What you got for me? Did you take 60 for the full art? Ooh, he did. Okay, awesome. Almost out of cards already for the sell table. Where? No, those are it. Those are it. There we go. We'll prep some more packs. Why not? Ooh, there we go. There we go. 19. And then a few more. Not bad at all. 12. There's a 12. 17. Okay. These packs just seem to get better and better right now. It's nice. It's very nice. It's nice. $3, $5, 19. There we go. See, it saved itself. We got a 19 in there. Ooh. $3. Not bad at all. $3? Oh, I guess it was. There's a 17 again. 18. There we go. There we go. That was a newer one. See, I don't know if doing trades increases like the shop popularity or something. I wish I knew. Okay, dude, you're getting way too far behind. You're getting way too far behind. There's too many people sitting here waiting. There you go, see? That's how you work a cash register. You just get them in, get them out. Throw those in. Throw those in there. Yeller. We'll just throw these down there for now. That makes no sense. That sucks right now. 19? Get a lot of the same hitter cards, aren't we? Like a lot of them. 18? There we go. Ooh. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Ooh, 17. But again, it's the same like 3 cards I'm hitting. 12. There we go. What's a new one? That's a. I guess it's a new one, but it's a different one. There we go. Perfect. Fill those up. Ooh. Yeah, no, thank you. That's a little. I can afford it, but then again, I don't want to buy it. Sir, I'm sorry to tell you, but there's no one coming. Sorry. Poor guy. Poor guy. And open. Open. Open, open, open. See, Jimmy. This is why you're a base level mate. You're very slow for no reason. There we go. There we go. There we go. So much better. Okay, Stevie Bob, Billy Gates boy. Going a little too slow there. Thank you, come again. You got a big line here, Stevie Bob, Billy Gates boy. For the boxes. Duh. Okay. Everyone bought the cards already? I need a lot more cards apparently. $20. Okay, 20 bucks isn't bad at all. Pretty good. 20 again. 17. Ooh, 55. There we go. 55 is nice. That's a lot better. It's a lot better today. Ooh, 10. I don't know what changed. I didn't change anything. What you got? Ooh, that's gonna be hard. Oh, he won't take it. Oh well. At the workers. Ooh, 17. There we go. Up we go. 17 and a 14. Not bad at all. Okay. 14. There we go. 16. There we go. Ooh. Well, that's nice. You gotta put a $55 card out there to purchase. That's nice. Okay. 32. There we go. 20. Ooh. That was nice. $20 card. 5. 11. Aren't selling at all. Boibles on the shelf. There we go. And here's the yellies. Perfect. What you got for me? Ooh, there's a Destiny card. Ooh, look at that beautiful boy. $3. Hey, we got our first Destiny card. You know, there's two of you sitting there. If one of you would just scooch over to the other person, or better yet, both of you could scooch one chair over, and then you could both play together. But instead, I gotta break you up. Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're new, subscribe. I post stuff twice a week, 2 videos weekly. If you want to follow, you can follow the Twitch, or the TikTok. Both of those I go live on Wednesdays and Sundays at 7:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. And even my Twitter. I post when I tweet out, or whatever it is now, whatever you want to call it. I post when I go live and when the videos go up. So you can follow me there, and I'll see you whenever I see you. Bye bye.